iPad 5 Antenna Repair Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver.
Power down your 9.7-inch Apple iPad 5 tablet. The iPad 5 touchscreen digitizer is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the rear case. Apply heat to soften the adhesive beneath the glass. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the triangle opening tool, slice through the sticky adhesive and decouple the iPad 5 digitizer. Be careful not to cut or damage any of the display cables. Do not try to fully separate the touchscreen yet, as several fragile ribbon cables still connect it to the iPad's logic board. Once the adhesive has been separated, open the digitizer like a page in a book and rest it on your workspace. Remove all tape obscuring the LCD screws. Extricate the following 4 Phillips screws. Grab the LCD and lift it out of its recess. Be gentle and keep an eye on the LCD cable. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws from the display cable bracket. Pry the display cable bracket straight up from the logic board and remove the iPad 5 LCD. Remove the small piece of tape covering the home button ribbon cable connector. Use the flat end of a spudger to flip the tab on the home button ribbon cable ZIF connector upward. Pull the home button ribbon cable straight out of the ZIF connector. With a spudger in hand, carefully pop the 2 digitizer cable connectors straight up from their sockets. Remove the iPad 5 touchscreen digitizer.
Pop the 2 antenna cable connectors straight up from their sockets. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Use the tweezers to cut the foam adhesive securing the antenna to the speaker assembly. Carefully remove the right antenna from the iPad. Cut the foam adhesive securing the antenna to the speaker assembly. There are 6 pieces of tape wrapped around the left antenna cable. Gently peel up each piece of tape, freeing the left antenna cable as you go. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials.